Welcome back to yet another episode of the Genius Investment Banking Podcast, your go-to podcast for everything about investment banking. I am Prateek, an investment banking professional with 15 years of experience, and I also happen to be a teacher. Today, we are diving into a crucial aspect of investment banking interview process that can set you apart from the competition. Your body language. Investment banking interviews comprise of multiple rounds, including case studies, in-person technical interviews, with the last round which include critical partner slash MD level. These rounds are aimed at judging candidates' financial acumen, intellectual horsepower, understanding of the financial concepts, current industry situations, and also the know-how of the application of all these things. Body language plays a very critical role in IT because investment banking is like client face. It's not just about what you know, it's about how you present yourself. So let's talk about some tried and tested techniques to enhance your performance, making a lasting impact in your investment interviews. First up, we have the 30/2. Now, what's that, you ask? Well, it's all about timing your responses. Your best chances of a successful interview is to give answers between 30 seconds to 2 minutes long. Aim to keep your answers within this time frame. If you go under 30 seconds, then it appears as if you're rushing. And if you go beyond 2 minutes, then it appears that you may fail to capture the interviewer's attention and patience. Trust me, no one wants to hear an answer that goes on and on and on. Find that sweet spot. Next, let's talk about pausing. I know nervousness can make us talk faster than we intend, but here's the catch. Take pauses. It helps slow you down, makes you appear less nervous, makes you appear more composed. Plus, when you are anxious, we often hold our breaths, which can lead to that shaky voice which we all have. So take a breath, pause, and let your words resonate your thought process. Now, after you have paused, remember to exhale. This simple act can stop that nervousness in your voice, making you sound more confident. It's amazing that how a little bit of breath control can completely transform the presence in your interview. Next up, we have the technique where we mirror the interviewer. Now, this doesn't mean that you copy each and every move that your interviewer is speaking, but you just have to match their vocal tone, try to focus on the key words that they use and try to replicate them. Now, I'll tell you how that works. If they are speaking in a calm and measured tone, you mirror that. If they use specific terms, you use them too. It helps you build an indirect connect with your interviewer. And also, don't forget about the eye contact. But just mind you, be subtle. Don't overnotice, you may leave that person out. A few natural movement of your eyes on the background of your interview, that is fine. But just follow what your interviewer is doing. Moving on, let's talk about being precise. You want to avoid long sentences filled with filler words like you know. I know that the typical words that we use. Be direct and clear in your responses. Get into the habit of reading regularly. Listen to active conversations between people. Listen to podcasts. This will help you build a vocabulary and also to articulate your sentences. And remember, your answers should reflect your unique perspective. Do not fall into the trap of answering questions in a traditional and a robotic way. Add your own personal touch. This will help you make a memorable impression. So, to recap, remember the 30/2 rule. Embrace the power of pausing, exhale for confidence. Mirror your interviewer and always try to be precise. These techniques not only enhance your body language but also boost your confidence during your interviews. I hope you found these tips useful as you prepare for your investment banking interviews. Keep practicing and definitely you will be. That's it for today's episode. I hope you like what you heard today. Keep liking our videos, subscribe and share it with your friends. This is Pratik signing off. Right.